Since Law 1314 of 2009, Colombia adopted International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS) issued by the ISB. But here's something important: IFRS is not applied automatically in Colombia. Instead, they are adopted through local regulations, mainly consolidated in a Decree 2420 of 2015. Depending on the size of the nature of the company, there are three accounting frameworks in place: Group 1, full IFRS, large companies, financial institutions, and insurers. Group 2, IFRS for MCs, for companies that do not fall into Group 1 or Group 3. And Group 3, simplified framework for microenterprises and small business. At the end of each fiscal year, and at least once annually, companies in Colombia are required to prepare and certify the general purpose financial statements. These statements must be signed by both a certified public accountant and the company's legal representative. The main purposes of these financial reports are two: to guide decisions by the shareholders, to determine profit distribution, and to comply with the reporting obligation to regulatory bodies such as the Superintendency of Companies. In Colombia, accounting data is the starting point of filing income tax returns. However, the tax rules introduce certain exclusions which create distinctions between accounting and taxable income. Key differences include revenue recognition timing, fair value adjustments, provisions, and equity method. These differences help reflect the economic substance of business activities without compromising tax fairness or legal compliance. The statutory auditor is mandatory for joint stock companies, foreign branches, or companies with over 5,000 minimum wages in assets and 3,000 minimum wages in revenue. The auditor certifies financial statements, tax returns, and reports irregularities. All supervised companies must submit their financial statements and complementary reports annually to the Superintendency of Companies, according to a calendar based on the last digit of their tax ID number. Required reports include individual, separate, and consolidated financial under IFRS. Colombia has a solid accounting regime aligned with the international standards and active regulatory oversight.